I think I failed to mention that I went out and I bought online on Newegg for 115 bucks, 1,000 feet of Cat 6 cable. I got, says 622 feet left, so I already used quite a bit, like 375 feet, and go everywhere. And I got tools to make these ends. They're Easy RJ45 tool bag. I got these. I get 30 ends for 30 bucks on Amazon. And I'll show you the tool, crimp tool. I don't know what brand this is. I don't know, it cost me $80. Ratcheting, something about heavy duty. Yeah, Easy RJ Pro heavy duty. These crimp, yeah, RJ45, and then telephone cable up to 6 pin. Very expensive, but I needed it, so what am I gonna do? That's it.